Hi my friends, this is Tanya at Sidekick Crafts. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am announcing that I am part of the design team for Jovi, Creating with Jovi, and I have got some beautiful digitals here in my hands from Jovi's Etsy shop. You guys will want to check out her shop. These are eco dye papers that are the package called Roses and Ferns. But if you don't care for digital, or not digitals, if you don't care for the eco dye look, she's got others available as well. So go check those out, see if there's something you like. I'm sure you'll find something. So these are turned out beautiful. Let me show you. There's 16 pages in the pack, and thank you once again, Jovi, for including me on your team. You've got some amazing design team folks, and I am excited to be a part of that group. So thank you so much for that. And I hope I can do you proud. So look at these beautiful, beautiful papers. She's got some really great imprints from her flowers. When she did this, you know, eco dyeing isn't easy, so it's really fun to see what you get. You never quite know what you're going to get. And she got some really great results here. Cool blues and purples and pinks, some yellow in there, definitely some greens. Gorgeous. She's got some great texture in the centers. These make great, I mean, they're beautiful as they are, but they really make great background papers. So look a little further. If you don't see a particular focal point, it's because they are meant to do many, many things, not necessarily be your focal point. And I'll show you what I mean in a little bit. You can add some stamping to them. You can grunge them up, whatever you want to do. Aren't they gorgeous? Look at those colors. Look at this one. This one's my favorite. It almost reminds me of a strawberry here, but I know that's a rose petal. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? Love it, love it, love it. This one is a lot of fun. I can see journal pages out of this one because of the line down the center. Makes it a perfect place to fold. And you'd have a different design on each side. Gorgeous ferns. Look at the texture in the paper. Comes out really nice. Here again. I hope you guys like these. I think they're beautiful. Gives me lots of inspiration. Not fun? All right, so let me show you the project that I made. I made Mom a birthday card box. What is a birthday card box? This is a birthday card box. And I used the digitals on the background here, and I actually did some stamping on them, which is what I was talking about, the background. So I did some stamping to add a little bit of extra interest to it. A little bit on there. I distressed the edges and put the ink on the edges, and did the same on the outside, put some ink here. This is a paper from Paper Studios from Hobby Lobby. And I used my distressing tool to rough up the edges there. And you want to know about the card? Here's the card. There's the card. See it in there? Can you see it? Ta-da! There's the card. I used one of those Temu roses that were way too big the other day from my haul. This is a foam Temu rose. And then we've got the happy birthday built up, so it's a little bit thicker. We've got a vellum butterfly here, some linen flowers with some buttons in the center. I added some strings of beads here that I thought were really pretty and would add to the colors of the papers. And then I added a sequin and pearl doily back here. Very vintage, very beautiful. I think she'll love that. Adds a little pizzazz. And then on my papers, I made some tags, and I did a collage and added some random stamping to it and made several tags out of it for these little pockets. And I did all the stamping on the outsides too. She can use these for to put pictures on or notes on or whatever. And she can put pictures here in the corners, on the flat plate places. Also made a couple little tags in here, just kind of stuck them in there. And so it just kind of builds this way. If you guys are interested in a tutorial on this box, let me know in the comments. It's super easy to, once you understand how it's built, it's super easy to make. Got more stamping all around. I had a lot of fun making this and putting it together. I was trying to figure out, what should I make Mom for her birthday? And I think I found it. Today is her birthday, and I feel really bad because this is still on my desk because I haven't shown you yet. So I'm going to let her know that I'm sending it on its way. But it's got all distressed around the edges. I absolutely love how it turned out. I hope you guys too. This is my July design team project for Miss Jovi over at Creating with Jovi. You guys check out her channel if you haven't found her already, and definitely check out her Etsy. You're going to find some amazing things and amazing crafters on her team, and I hope that you'll find something that you love. So thanks once again for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it too. And have an amazing day. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.